Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will be having smothered turkey chops. So we have some Sazon, no MSG, some poultry season, garlic and herb, little ginger, coriander, black pepper, salt, and onion powder. Season to taste. Saute mushrooms, onions, scallions, green peppers, and garlic for 30 seconds and then remove. Brown on both sides, then remove. And that just looks beautiful. When it comes to making gravy, you must use the same parts of the fat and the same parts of the flour. Brown your flour. Add black pepper and salt. Make sure you get all that goodness in the bottom of the pan. Add same parts chicken broth and water and bring to a boil. Continue to stir your gravy until it thickens. Now you want to add your vegetables. Now you want to add your turkey chops and make sure every piece is covered with gravy. At this time, I'm going to just add a little bit more water because I want the gravy to be a little bit more looser. Cover and simmer on medium heat. Now enjoy. And I want to just take this time out and thank you guys for rocking with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You can serve your turkey chops over mashed potatoes, over rice, or your favorite starch.